All right, hello everyone. We're the group, and welcome to the presentation for SPAC Track, which is the app we're going to be presenting to you today. So we're going to go through our proposal and why we thought it up, our lower high fidelity prototypes, as well as the feedback that we received. And finally, we're going to show off our most recent prototype. So that should be exciting. All right, let's start by explaining why we wanted to build a SPAC tracking app in the first place. And I'll start by asking y'all a question. So how many of you have gone to SPAC, ready to start your workout in the zone, only to show up and see that there's a line for your favorite machine? Probably too many times. What if there was a solution to that? What if we could create an app that lets SPAC users know what equipment was busy and when? If an app like that existed, it would empower everyone to more confidently go to SPAC and know they'd be able to get in, do their workout, and get out. So we decided to build it. Our app will allow you to not only see how busy your favorite machine SPAC is, but it'll also tell you when the best times to go are. Now we're going to walk you through how we put it all together.
We started off with low fidelity prototyping in Canva. This prototype built out the requirements for our live traffic function, like how we can indicate the gym's capacity with colors and how we should make sure to visualize both current and projected gym use. We also built out a routine building function, making sure to add in pages for days of the week and muscles to focus on, as well as suggesting routines for users based on gym traffic. We use this low fidelity prototype as a base to build off of in higher fidelity prototyping, which we did in Figma. In our live tracking function, we built out specific pages for each area of SPAC that let users know not only how busy a certain area of the gym was, but also which machines were available or not available. Let's consider an example. Suppose a user wants to see if the squat racks in the weight room are free. They'd first click on the weight room, then squat racks, and bam, the user knows not only how busy the weight room is, but also how many squat racks are occupied. Our routine building function stayed pretty true to our original Canva prototype, allowing users to pick days to work out, muscle groups to focus on, and suggesting routines based on trends in gym traffic and use.
Moving on to our user testing and feedback, we decided to test 6 Northwestern students based on their frequency of going to SPAC. Using 3 categories, we tested 2 light users who go to SPAC 1 to 2 times per week, 2 moderate users who go to SPAC 3 to 4 times per week, and 2 heavy users who go to SPAC 5+ times per week. We decided that for our user testing, a within subject design was best due to the fact that there's more variability between users here than the tasks they are asked to complete.
As for user feedback, we found that the live tracking feature used some words that were too vague and needed to be a little more descriptive. There are also concerns about the red-green colors for people with visual impairments. Users also wanted to break up the free weights section into pounds. For the routine building feature, users expressed that they wanted to be able to see the forecasted usage for different machines. They also expressed that they wanted to be able to see their routines on the homepage. Finally, users expressed that they wanted to change the checkbox inputs into radio buttons.
So after our first tests, we made 4 changes to our app. First, we rephrased the live tracking and your routine buttons to check gym traffic and build your routine. This quick shift towards action-oriented titles clarified each page's functionality and lets the user know what they can do in each area of the app. Next, we changed how we indicate gym traffic. Originally, we measured traffic with one circle and colored it either red, yellow, or green. Red-green contrasts are difficult for colorblind users to interpret, as Nelson mentioned, so we edited that feature to make our app more inclusive. We now have 3 circles that are filled in based on how busy the gym is, filled in with a corresponding color. We also edited the routine building functionality by updating the landing page. Now the user can immediately view their current schedule. We also added the ability for users to click a scheduled workout and view the projected gym traffic as shown on the right during these planned visits. Before, users had to toggle between the 2 features, and now this new feature allows us to streamline this process. So thank you for listening, and let's move on to our live demo.
Let's check how busy the squat racks in the weight room are by first logging onto the app and entering your username and password. First, you'll click Check Gym Traffic, then click Weight Room and choose the machine you want to inspect. Click on the squat racks button to see how many racks are available. But it seems like all of them are currently occupied. But now let's try building a new routine by going back to the homepage and clicking Build Your Routine. Here you'll see what your current gym routine is, and you can click on specific days to see what muscle groups you're focusing on and how busy the gym is at that time period. Let's make a new routine by clicking on the New Routine button. Allow the sharing of your calendar information to continue. Next, you can select how many days you want to work out. Let's only go to the gym on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. We can then choose the muscle groups to focus on. Monday is core day, Wednesday is legs, and Friday is arms. Based on your calendar information and workout preferences, you'll then get a suggested routine based on how busy the gym is during those days. That looks pretty good, so let's confirm it. And bam, your new routine has been updated.